like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First of all, you need to access Play Store on both devices and click on the search bar. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, select Open. From this screen here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue, and lastly allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select send on an Android and then receive on Samsung. Now tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Samsung, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here. And after that, tap on receive. And now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!